Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today we're going to be doing a mini bonus video inspired by what Christina Aguilera has been wearing. So I'm going to replicate that for you guys today. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for watching. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below. Let me know if this looks like what she was wearing. So I'm starting off by using Sweet Tea by Sally Hensen's Miracle Gel, and I put 2 coats of that, and then I put some Top It Off by Gelish. I put 1 coat of that, cured it, and we're going to be taking the Black Shadow by Gelish and the matte top coat to form the black jacket that she wore. And I have my Born Pretty stamping polish that I use to do her collar. And after this has fully dried, I'm just going in with some of this, I think it was called Life of the Party. I used it for my July birthstone set. And this is just gonna give it a little dimension. There's little glitter, red glitter flakes in this. Now I would have showed how I applied the black shadow to make these curvy lines. However, I've been having issues lately. I think it might be me, but I'll hit record, or at least think I hit record, and then I'm doing these nails and I realize that it's not recording. So a good chunk of this has been missing, but since I'm pretty much outlining this shape right here, you can imagine how I did the black shadow areas versus the red collar line. So again, this was inspired by an outfit that Christina Aguilera was wearing, and I think the way things are going to head towards my channel, I get inspired by just various things, and I'd hate to remove a set just to do like one nail or just a momentary idea. So I think what I'm doing is I'm just gonna take the soft gel tips that will for sure not fit me ever. um, and I'm just going to be doing these mini videos. So this is going to be a shorter video than it usually would take, and it's just going to be one nail. But I had to do this design because I really loved that outfit, and I definitely wanted to convey that in this design for you today. So I'm just making sure that I cover up all that metallic pink stamping polish that I did to make sure that I got this Life of the Party on there. And I applied some gummy jelly and some shiny, and we are applying some super mini pixie crystals, and I'm just going to be embellishing this collar throughout this design. So we're just going to place this all over this red ribbon here. And in her photo, it looked like there were rhinestones on her collar, but I don't have rhinestones that tiny. So we're going to use pixie crystals, and I think it's perfect because they're super clear, and the way that they sit on this red area here, it's going to shine through the crystal, and then the facets are going to reflect off different shades of this red color. And I think the color came out perfect. Like, it was a combo of the metallic, like reddish, pinkish stamping polish, and then there's like this deeper color red of Life of the Party, and it just ended up mixing perfect to what she was wearing. And I'm not going to post the photo on here because I'm not too sure how copyrights go, but I think you should just check out her Instagram anyway, Xtina, and you'll be able to see what it looks like. if you check this out, it was the outfit she wore to the Latin Grammys, and she had posted it on November 18th. Leave a comment below. Let me know if you like this look. Let me know if my nail would, this design would go great with her outfit. But yeah, so I just, again, I was so inspired. I had to do this. So how cool would it be though if she saw this and had her opinions about it, good or bad, doesn't matter. The fact that she would even look at it. But this is the end result here. My Christina Aguilera outfit inspired nail. I don't even know who is the designer. There are a bunch of names on there, and I don't want to say the wrong thing. But this is a close-up of it. It's so pretty. Look at the pixie crystals. At any rate, so thank you so much for watching my mini bonus video inspired by Christina Aguilera's outfit. Join me again next time. We have my regular weekend videos coming up, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.